biggest economic stories this year has definitely been the job market. So, for day two of Chart Week, I thought my snowy Brooklyn background would be a good metaphor for what the job market has been like, because in a lot of ways, it has just been frozen. Hiring, take a look at this, is near the lowest levels it's been in decades. At the same time, layoffs have been rising a little bit, but they're still near the lowest level they have been in decades. And the unemployment rate, though it has been rising all year, is still historically low. But this is just a really unusual situation. Usually, if you see hiring this low, layoffs will start rising. And usually, if you see layoffs this low, hiring will start rising. So, what is happening in the job market right now? Economist Erenjit Dubey described it to me as Dr. Seuss's The Waiting Place. Companies seem to be just waiting, kind of biding their time. A lot of people think that businesses are just dealing with a lot of uncertainty right now. There are some big questions about tariffs. A lot of companies don't know how those are going to shake out. And so companies are just kind of squirreling their cash away, maybe waiting to expand or waiting to hire until they feel like they have a better sense of what the future will hold. Companies aren't sure if, economic winter is coming or if people will continue to spend at the same levels they've been spending. And if unemployment starts to rise, if companies start laying people off, if things turn south, then we might see layoffs start to rise and the economy will turn in that direction. One thing is for sure, the job market is just a huge part of the economy. And for it to be stagnant like this is really, really unusual. And chances are in 2026, things are going to break one way or the other. Either the economy will start growing and companies will start expanding and hiring again, and we'll see wages go up and people starting to quit their jobs more and people getting hired more and layoffs going down. Or things could go the other way. We could see layoffs starting to really rise, unemployment starting to really rise. And if that happens, more than likely the economy will go into a recession. For right now, though, economists are fairly optimistic that things are going to look okay in 2026. A Bloomberg survey of economists put the chances of recession in 2026 at around 30%, although in a really healthy economy, the chances of a recession are usually around 15%. So things are still a little bit higher than normal. But if things hold, if the economy continues to expand at the pace it's been expanding, we'll see things pick back up and the job market of 2026 will get out of its deep freeze, will warm up a little bit, and we will see companies start hiring again.